Try to do color fill engraving just using a color crown of your choice and a microfabric towel. Without further ado, with your preference of color, I'm gonna do pink for this one. It's gonna be really easy. All you're gonna wanna do is, with the motion, side to side, up and down. Just like that. Once you're right there, with your towel, you're gonna wanna rub on it. If you got to, put a little pressure on there. Slowly but surely, as you can see, leads a little more rubbing. Boom. Just like that, that easy. Just keep going. I do one layer all around. You can go back and do two if you want to. Get the color to really pop out. Same motion. Side to side. Same way with this. Just like that. Once you got that, repeat the process. As you can see, applying pressure. Remove the excess. Boom. As you can see, that easy. You can do the barrel if you want to. Obviously, as you can see, I already started on this side a little bit. Need to go over right here and the barrel as well. Once you finish product, you're gonna get something just like this. This is the orange yellow colorway on my Glock 22. As you can see, definitely really pops out. Not just the gun, as well as the magazine, compared to factory. Nice. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See y'all next time.